to LP conversion job. What we're getting today, we're getting a US boiler. Also, there's going to be a new chimney liner, propane gas piping to the outside, and our 85% mid efficiency boiler. Okay, small one job for today and tomorrow. All done. Just go inside. We're just cleaning up now. We got all our gas piping done. Right there. Our new boiler right here with a new chimney liner. Okay. Very nice looking boiler. Bornholm ES2 with the indirect water heater. All the 9 yards. Expansion tank, bleeder station, circulator, relay, and then for the future gas piping is all set up there. So just a two-day job. Final days JJ and me. Okay, so tomorrow we'll be in Hudley. It's a long drive, but we gotta go where customers gonna pay for us to do it, and make them happy. Thanks, guys.